Researching the market for a 2011 Audi A4. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, audio input for your iPod, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.